This is really a system. So what we're trying to do is take the whole factory and put it all into one cell. Usually you have several different machines, whether it be where your tool is made, where the trimming is done, where the laminate is being printed, and it just takes an incredible space. So what we're doing is moving that all into one cell to allow customers to really shrink the size of their factory. It just makes the whole manufacturing much quicker and more efficient. So instead of printing in one place, shipping it across the country, we do it all in the one spot, and it just allows for much more rapid development. That Siemens Numeric really allows us to be pushing the edge. Because we're doing everything in the one cell, is a very flexible system. So we could be printing one part one day, so like this duct, take that off the cell, and then be printing a wing the next day. It really gets your machine utilization up. A lot of the time in the industry, machines don't get utilized to their full potential. They're not running 100% of the time. So by doing all these different processes, it allows you to be running your machine at full capacity 24/7. Safety is a huge factor. With the Siemens Numeric 1, it allows you to do safe kinematics, which is something completely brand new. What you can do is simulate the whole robot on the PLC, and that is what's happening out here. So you can make the robot not go to a certain zone if you don't want to, not hit a wall. It just allows you to be much more safe.